I know I use wonderful creams. Vic, darling! How do I look?
Different.
Fantastic! I was just telling Barry he should get some implants.
Flipping ho.
Great. Hey, Phil, you ready for the concert? How's everything looking?
Good. I think, unless Barry's got some more surprises in store.
Hold on, Mucker. You are going to have to stop giving me an hard time.
Oh, no worries. You stop having me killed, and I'll stop complaining about it.
Vic dealt with that teething trouble. This is rock and roll, son, not flipping flower arranging.
Oh, do shut up. Listen, we've got work to do. Vic, we'll see you at the gig. Renee, it's been an experience. I'll make sure Barry calls you.
Darlings,
Phil!
I
Philip!
love you, boss. Vic, can you drive me to the airport on your way to the gig?
Sure. Come on.
Hey, watch it!
I had a few extra stitches. I'm a virgin, shiny and new. You could be my first.
Dude, please, shut up.
Not again! I don't want to die a virgin!
I see you.
Yeah, you ain't man now, huh?
Say hi to my wife when you reach heaven.
This train stops here.
I knocked your finger in the dirt.
Come and see me sleep with all the women from around.
Kiss me, Vic!
So you really leaving?
I have no choice, darling. Diego will never stop looking for me. Once you've been with Rennie, nothing compares. Besides, I'm through with advertising. It's so morally bankrupt. I'm going to Europe to conquer the exotic adult movie business.
Europeans like women with big hands and stubble?
Of course! We are more sophisticated than you Americans, darling. I know you want me, but Rennie, she must go. Goodbye, darling. I'll send you my tapes. Think of me often.
Pledge drive doesn't get cooking. It may be a while before we wire you some more money. Thank you, Heinrich. That's all we have time for. Catch us next time on New World Order. Remember, love your country. Don't question politicians, especially when they have a winning smile and great hair. And you'll be part of the New World Order.
This is VCPR. I'm Jonathan Freeman. Next up is a show that aired in Vice City back in the 40s, which shows what happens when companies underwrite radio. It's a rebroadcast or headline This is VCPR, offering top quality entertainment for all ages and literacy rates.
Moorhead rides again! Gordon Moorhead and the Exploding Breasts. This episode of Moorhead Rides Again is brought to you by the Vice City Broadcasting System in association with the Friendly Napalm Company of Florida. Because when you need to clear the bush, our napalm is your best friend. First, let me ask you something. How would you like to have a beautiful bronze medal of friend of Gordon Moorhead and a bona fide member of his new 1946 Public Protection Team? A medal you'll be so proud of to show your friends. You'll want to carry it with you wherever you go, just like a real Medal of Honor. It has a swell picture of Gordon Moorland on it, catching a crook, and also pictures of his buddies, Molly Malmsteen and the Chief. It contains special symbols, including letters and numbers that tell you important things, which is true of many other things, including books and dogs. Feature on the back. The most exciting thing of all about your bronze medal of membership to the Public Protection Team is a real lead bullet. Don't believe us? Suck it and see. That distinctive lead taste proves it's real. Lead is full of nutrients. Just ask any bad guy. They'll pull up the stuff by Gerald Moorhead. They soon stop acting bad after they've been dosed up with lead, and you will too. Here's how you can get one absolutely free. Just go to your nearest Friendly Napalm Company of Florida dealer and get your dad to buy 300 gallons.
Where have you been? Phil's already on. I'm shitting bricks here, mate. Giorgio's definitely gonna try something.
Keep your pants on. I'll make my way down front and keep an eye on things.
Fucking somebody up isn't as easy as it looks, you know. I knocked your pinga in the dirt. I see your fate now, big man. ¿Qué es tu problema?
Well, if you told me you were drowning, I would not lend a hand. I've seen your face before, my friend, but I don't know if you know who know where you've been. It's all been a packed lie, and I can feel it coming in the air all night. Oh Lord, but I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it in the air tonight. Oh Lord, oh Lord, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord. I remember, don't worry. How could I ever forget? It's the first time and the last time we ever met. But I know the reason why you keep your silence up. No, you don't fool me. You see, the hurt doesn't shout, but the pain still grows. So stranger to you and me. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord, feel it coming in the air tonight. I've been waiting for this moment all my
Mate, that's it. I'm paying Giorgio back. It's going to cost me a bloody fortune. You know, he wants 60% interest. What can I do? I've got to think of my boy's well-being.
Hi, Vic. What do you think of the show?
Killer.
Cheers. Hey, Barry. I'm glad you're thinking of my well-being. I could do with a break.
No, mate, we should be moving on. Strike while the iron's hot. The US loves you.
But I'm booked in at the hotel for another week. I was going to work on the tan.
You're kidding. You got to go to work, mate. I've just lined up a rake of shows. Loads of dosh.
And what about my well-being?
Trust me, you'll thank me. Don't get all histrionic.
Histrionic. I've spent the last few days being chased around the city by a maniac. I've been shot at and nearly blown up.
See what I mean? Bloody celebrities.
Hey, Vic. Have you ever thought about a career in management?
Hold up, boy. I'm your management.
Yeah, mismanagement. Or was that just Rennie's name for you? You should have got those false tits, mate, just like Rennie suggested. They look great alongside that real one you're using for your head.
Louise!
Hey, Vic.
Hey, where's Louise?
I don't know. But shit, if that bitch ripped us off, I'll rip her head off.
Hey, she's clean, unlike you.
No, she is a drug addict. I'm just having fun. There is a difference.
Vic! They got Louise!
What?
They had me too. It was awful.
Who?
All these men, all sweaty and hot, and well, nobody laid a finger on me, but they got Louise!
Who's got Louise?
They got her, and they said they'll kill her if you don't do what they want.
Who?
Armando Mendez. Oh, he wanted me too. I could see it in his eyes. Those Latino men always like the voluptuous women. I nearly got taken.
All right. Come on, Lance. Let's finish this.
Why? She's a train wreck. Let him have her.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, move on. Plenty more fishes in the sea, baby.
You get moving right now, or I'll shoot you first.
All right. I'm coming. Don't worry about it.
Wait, I'm telling you, it was nearly me. One day it'll be me. One day.
Come on, move it, Lance. Man, we're wasting our time. The bitch is dead already. Armando's got two things to say. One, get out of ice now and the girl lives. And two, my car!
Hey, is that my car?
Say goodbye to your treasured possession. It's time for some Vance vengeance, baby! Do not let them in! Barricade the door! Kill them! You're mine, motherfucker! Kill this idiot!
cabeza!
You have every...
Kill him!
Die!
Luis! Lance?
Do you think you're hero enough to bring back the dead?
Where are they, Armando?
They're upstairs resting, in peace. Would you like to join them?
If you've hurt them...
Senor, I assure you, they didn't feel a thing. Unfortunately, the same will not be said of you.
Bullets! I eat your bullets!
This is irritating.
You prick! I'll kill you! Burn!
Luis!
Hey, Vic. You came for me. No one ever really did much for me before. That's sweet of you.
Hey, come on, let's get you to a hospital.
I don't think there's much point in that.
Come on, Luis.
We could have had something special.
Yeah. No, we did have something special.
Make sure Mary Jo takes care of my baby.
Oh, Louise. Louise. Hey, Vic, I know you cared about her, man. But she wasn't right for you. Vic. Hey, Vic. Family's what matters. Oh, damn. All right. Okay, I'm gonna make it. I can make it. I know I can, man.